pleased to offer multiple air suspension repair and replacement options for the 2002 to 2009 Audi A8 D3 chassis sedan. For vehicles that need a replacement air strut, Arnott offers both remanufactured and new Arnott designed struts. Arnott's completely new replacement struts offer the benefits of a comfortable ride and load leveling, but have brand new custom valved shocks with 0 miles on them. In this video, we show how to install the Arnott designed and assembled new air strut for the front of the Audi A8 with sport suspension. This video also applies to the Audi A8 with comfort suspension and also to Arnott's remanufactured struts for the Audi A8 with sport and comfort suspensions. Air strut removal. Removal step 1. Prepping for removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Removal step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal step 3. Disconnecting the air strut. Loosen and remove the air line. Remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard. Loosen and remove the upper control arm bolt. Remove upper arms from spindle assembly. Loosen and remove the lower shock arm bolts. Removal step 4. Disconnecting the wire connector. Raise the hood and remove applicable trim paneling to gain access to the front shock towers. Disconnect the electrical connection. Locate and remove wiring harness from the mounting bracket. Loosen and remove the 3 upper shock mounting bolts. Now from the bottom side, slide the shock over the lower control arm. Remove shock slowly from mount area. Carefully guide the wire through the hole while removing the shock. Loosen and remove the 4 top mounting bolts from shock. Remove the top section. Removal complete. Air strut installation. Install step 1. Air strut installation and airline connection. Disconnect the wiring harness from the strut by carefully cutting the twist tie. Loosen the plastic shipping cap. Install the supplied Voss airline hose connector fitting, being careful not to over-tighten. Install the top section. Carefully guide the wire back through the hole while installing the shock. Install and tighten the top mounting bolts to the shock. Install the shock into the mounting area. From the bottom, slide the shock back over the lower control arm and into place. Install the 3 upper shock mounting bolts and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Install step 2, connecting the air strut assembly. Reconnect the electrical connection. Reinstall the wire harness to the mounting bracket. Reinstall the trim paneling. Install step 3, finishing the installation. Reinstall the arms to the spindle assembly. Install and tighten the upper control arm bolt. Reinstall the air line to the shock and tighten. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer specifications. Install step 4, finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery. Install step 5, testing. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the air strut for leaks. It is strongly recommended that after this installation, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety.